Natural home remedies to improve immunity. Prevention is preferable to cure and, therefore, it is crucial that we conserve a strong defense mechanisms. Our defense mechanisms requires harmony and balance to operate efficiently. It may be efficiently improved by a couple of alterations in our lifestyle and diet. Garlic. Eat 2 to 3 raw cloves of garlic before eating anything daily. Also, add crushed garlic for your dishes. Avoid cooking garlic in excessive amount as it can certainly destroy its active compounds. You may also take garlic supplements, only within doctor's supereye. Lemon. Squeeze the juice from 1/2 lemon right into a glass of purified, warm water. Give a little honey. Drink it before eating anything every morning. Wait half an hour, then enjoy your breakfast. Ginger. Drink ginger tea 2 times daily to improve immunity. To help make the tea, boil 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger by 50% glasses of water for 10 minutes. Strain, add honey and fresh lemon juice and drink it. You may also include dry or fresh ginger inside your cooking, or take ginger tablets after talking to your physician.